Hello, my name is Kristen Rianne Williams, and welcome to my Week 5 Wiki presentation. The topic for my lesson is Exploring the Sun. So for my Exploring the Sun lesson, the grade level I have chosen is kindergarten. The standard disciplinary focus is weather and climate, and my lesson objective is that by the end of the unit, students will be able to share information about the sun with their families by creating a book of facts. So the next generation of science standard that will be addressed in this portion of the lesson is that students who demonstrate understanding can make observations to determine the effect of sunlight on Earth's surface. So my lesson summary. Students see the sun almost every day, but do they really understand what the sun is and its important role in our lives? This lesson will help them build a basic understanding about the sun. Students will be able to share information about the sun with their families by creating a book of facts. So for the engage portion of my lesson, I will generate interest in the sun and activate students' prior knowledge through a smartboard slide, a class discussion, and a video. We will move through a few kid-friendly lesson objectives, including I can share facts about the sun, and I can tell a friend an important fact about the sun. So let's get started. Okay, class, today we are going to be learning about the sun. Let's first start off by listening to a song that we are all familiar with by Mr. Raffi. You can go ahead and sing along. It's just taking a minute to load. Don't know what the holdup is. Here we go. Great job, boys and girls. You have such beautiful singing voices. Next, we are going to look at a few of the objectives for our lesson this week. So, repeat after me, please. I can share key facts about the sun. Your turn. All right, and our next objective is I can tell a friend an important fact about the sun. Your turn. Good job. So let's start learning some interesting things about the sun. So this is the sun. As you can see, it is bright and shiny, and it's located in the sky. We know it's in the sky in this picture because we can see the clouds. The clouds are in the sky. The sun is a star. It is closer to us than any other star. That's why it looks so big. Do we see all the stars in this picture? Wow. What does it look like? Does it look like nighttime or daytime in this picture? That's right. It looks like nighttime, and we know that because the sky is dark and we can see the stars. We can only really see the stars during the nighttime. but the sun is much bigger, and we can see that in the daytime. The sun is the center of our solar system. All of the planets revolve around the sun. Do we see all these planets revolving around the sun? Let's take a look at them. The sun is not solid like the Earth. It is a big ball of burning gas. What do you think, guys? Does that look like it would be hot to touch? The sun gives us light. The sun gives us daytime. In the other picture we saw, it was dark and we were able to see the stars. But during the daytime, the only star that we can see is the big, huge sun. And it shines its light all over, and we can then see our land. The sun is very hot. It is so hot that no one can get close to it. A warm day on Earth is 85 degrees. On the sun, it is 27 million degrees. Oh my goodness, that is hot. Even though we are far away from the sun, we can still feel its heat. If we are in the sun too long, we can get sunburned. Have any of you ever had a sunburn? Yes, I've had a sunburn too. We get that on days when we go to the beach, or maybe we play outside for a really long time. And sunburn can damage our skin and cause skin cancer. That's why we should always wear sunscreen when we are in the sun. Okay, boys and girls, we are done viewing our slides about the sun. Can you share a few things you have learned about the sun? I would like for you to turn and face your carpet buddy and go ahead and give them a high five and leave your hands in the air so that I know you have a buddy. All right, it looks like everybody is ready. Remember, we are sharing a few things we have learned about the sun. Okay, turn and talk. All right, 3, 2, 1, eyes and ears on me. All right, boys and girls, does anybody want to share what they learned about the sun? All right, now that we have a good understanding of the sun, we are going to create a book of facts. You are going to be able to choose the right word that finishes each sentence. You will circle it. When you are all done, I would like you to raise your hand and I will come around and I will have you read your book of facts to me before you color it in. All right, boys and girls, please return to your seats so we can get started. Lastly, it's time to share with our families. Using your book of facts, share what you will tell your families you have learned today about the sun. All right, now we have an idea of what we can go home and tell our families that we have learned about the sun. Good job. And that will conclude the engaged portion of my lesson. Thank you so much for watching.